welcome back to my channel. There's a beauty. Today we're gonna be doing a beautiful minimal wedding guest makeup look today. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I've already prepped my skin with my moisturizer, sunscreen, and my toner. So next, for priming my skin, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Flower Grip Primer. I'm gonna first take this on my fingertips, just like so. And I'm gonna apply this all over the skin. Beautiful, look at that. It's super sticky, so it'll help your makeup long wearing for the entire day. That I love it. Anyways, now for the foundation, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Camo CC cream. I'm gonna mix that with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. Just like I'm gonna pump some on the back of my hand, just like so. And I'm gonna mix my Halo Glow with this as well, just like so. Okay, guys, now we're just going to mix this together on the back of my hands, just like so. And now I'm gonna apply this onto my face. Kind of like warming up the foundation before blending it. Okay, guys, we're just gonna start blending this into the skin. I'm blending this in a dabbing motion, just like so. Okay, now for the concealer, I'm gonna be using this K-Beauty's HD Liquid Concealer. And we're just going to apply this under my eyes, just like so. Yes, this concealer is super like natural finish kind of a concealer. It's super lightweight onto the skin, just so amazing. Okay, so now for a cream bronzer, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Luminous Petty Bronzer. As now we're just gonna dip my brush into the pan, just like so. And now we're just gonna dab it onto the skin and bronze up the face with this. Because now for the nose contouring, I'm just gonna contour my nose just like that. Okay, now for the cream blush, I'm gonna be using this cream blush from Nude Sticks. So I'm just gonna apply some right like so on my nose a little bit, on my chin. Okay, now we're just going to blend this seamlessly into the skin. As you can see, it gives a beautiful glowy finish. Literally love this blush. Okay, so now for setting up face, I'm going to be using this Fit Me Loose powder. Now we're just going to set the base with it. Okay, so now for the brows, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Tete Brow Styling Gel. I'm going to brush it through my brows. Okay, so now for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this Natasha Denona Pastel Palette. Okay, so from this palette, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It's a beautiful pastel orange color. I'm using this and putting it all over the lids, just like that. I'm gonna do the same on my other side as well. I'm also running the same shade on my lower lash line. Guys, now I'm gonna be taking this color. It's in the shade kind of like a pinky color. It's a beautiful pink color, and I'm using this and putting it on my outer corners. It's just like that. It's a beautiful, it's a very pretty pastel pink. I love it. I'm doing the same on the other side. I'm also taking it right on my lower lash line as well. Okay, so now for the eyeliner, I'm gonna be using this NYX Epic Ink Liner. Just like that, I'm gonna do the same on my other side as well. Okay, so now for the shimmer, I'm going to be taking the shade called, this is a beautiful pink color. So beautiful, it's a cool tone pinky. And I'm using this and putting it on my center of my eyelids, just like that. It's a beautiful color, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so for the mascara, I'm going to use this Big Mood Mascara by e.l.f. Okay, so now for the highlighter, I'm going to be using this one. It's from K-Beauty. I'm going to apply this on my brow bones, just like so. On my nose a little bit, right here, just like that. I'm gonna apply this right here, as if I wasn't going enough. I love highlighter, like I love highlighting my cheekbones. Literally so pretty. I'm gonna do on the other side as well, and a little bit right here. And also right on the temples, just like so. Now I'm moving on to the lips. I'm gonna be using this ColourPop Lippy Pencil. Guys, this lip liner is so creamy, like it glides into the lips super easily. And this color is so beautiful as well. So now for the lip color, I'm going to be using this Ink Velvet by Peri Para. I'm going to apply this on the center of my lips. Just like that, and blending it with my fingers. Guys, now for the last step, I'm going to be using this NYX Dewy Setting Spray. Oh guys, this is the final look. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing my channel and liking this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Until that, bye bye!